In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add a WhatsApp chat widget to your Webflow website so your visitors can message you instantly and you can boost engagement and conversions. This is perfect for businesses, portfolios, or service websites that want an easy way for users to get in touch. We'll be using a free tool called Elfsight, and I'll walk you through everything from start to finish, even if you're a complete beginner. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Webflow tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to elfsight.com. Elfsight is a popular widget platform that lets you add things like chats, reviews, forms, and more to your website without heavy coding. Once you're on the Elfsight homepage, go ahead and log in. If you don't already have an account, you can quickly sign up using your email or Google account. After logging in, you'll land on the Elfsight dashboard. From here, click on the Catalog option. The catalog shows all the available widgets you can add to your site. In the search bar at the top, type in WhatsApp and press Enter. You'll see the WhatsApp chat widget appear in the results. Click on the WhatsApp widget to continue. Now Elfsight will ask you to choose a widget template. These templates control how the WhatsApp chat button looks and behaves on your site, such as where it appears, its color, and the greeting message. Browse through the available templates and select the one that best fits your website design. Once you've chosen a template, click on Continue with this template. Next, you'll be taken to the widget editor. Here, you can customize the WhatsApp chat settings, such as adding your WhatsApp phone number, setting a welcome message, choosing the button position, and adjusting colors to match your brand. Take a moment to review everything and make sure it looks the way you want. When you're happy with the setup, click on the Publish button. After publishing, Elfsight will generate an embed code for your WhatsApp chat widget. Click on Copy Code to copy this embed code to your clipboard. Now it's time to add this widget to your Webflow site. Open your Webflow project and go to the page where you want the WhatsApp chat to appear. On the left side panel in Webflow, click on Elements. In the search bar, type Code Embed. Drag the Code Embed element onto your page, usually near the bottom of the page or inside the body so it loads properly across the site. Once the Code Embed element is placed, paste the Elfsight embed code that you copied earlier into the code box. Click Save and Close. Now publish your Webflow site so the changes go live. After publishing, visit your live website and you should see the WhatsApp chat button appear exactly as configured. Visitors can now click it and start a WhatsApp conversation with you instantly. And that's it. You've successfully added a WhatsApp chat widget to your Webflow website using Elfsight. This is a simple but powerful way to improve communication with your users. If this video helped you out, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone else using Webflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.